Bitcoin has posted major drops today along with the rest of the crypto market. Guys, we are seeing double-digit drops almost across the board. What does this mean for crypto, and what can we expect as the price drops? More importantly, how can we find the bottom to find the next best dollar cost average opportunity? The last time we got a combination of signals that we are looking for, we saw the price of Bitcoin rise over 6%. That is easy money for our day traders, and for those that are into long-term investments, finding these bottoms help you dollar cost average at the best possible times. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As a heads up, our Flash Cyber Monday sale, you can get $600 off our AI indicators, is on until tomorrow, Tuesday, December 2nd at 5 p.m. Pacific time. Now, we've previously earned 314 wins with 0 losses over the last 33 months using our older indicators. These AI indicators, which we're going to be using today, absolutely blow those out of the water in terms of accuracy. Now, if you want to learn why the drops are happening, you need to pay attention to the last 3 future forecast videos. These are talking about a move down to $65,000, a drop down to $57,000, and our $1 million bet, crypto and SPY will drop while silver and gold explode. Guys, this is happening as we speak. We're already seeing gains in silver. We hit $58 today while the rest of the crypto market is dropping. If you're not a member yet and you want to get access, links are in the description down below for 25% off your first month. Enough of that, though. Guys, let's jump into it. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. This is 2 out of our 3 AI indicators. Right now, we are sitting in caution. This is indicated by the blue line on the market cycle highs and lows, and this is the lowest we've seen in this indicator for quite some time. In fact, the last time we even saw caution was, let's see, way back here at the very beginning of 2023. And that was just after we got max fear at the end of 2022. This right here, this section in concern, fear, and max fear was where we saw the absolute bottom. And using the Pro Trade Manager, we were actually able to find the exact bottom of the Bitcoin bear market to find an entry. Now, I'm going to let you know right now, just for transparency's sake, these indicators were not out when this occurred. These are brand new indicators, but we can see through backtesting data how accurate these are. So a blue reading is very important to pay attention to. And I want to let you know, if we look at the previous start of the last bear market, typically when we see blue readings, it's normal to fluctuate back and forth. But when blue readings happen, this is where major drops begin to happen. Blue is typically not the bottom. We often see concern, fear, and even max fear before the price really begins moving back up again. So timing this bottom will be absolutely crucial. Because of that, we need to know when we see concern, when we see fear, when we see max fear. Along the way, as we enter into new levels on the market cycle highs and lows, it's important that we watch the Pro Trade Manager for green dots. Whenever these green dots occur, this is a potential bottom. In fact, almost every single time they are calling a bottom before, even if it is a small move up, they're calling bottoms before those moves up happen. So, as the price drops, especially if we drop below $84,000, which looks absolutely possible, if we drop into concern, a green dot in combination with that concern reading could be a great option for a dollar cost average entry, or for those looking to day trade, we could see small moves up from there, easy little bit of profit to make. Once we drop into fear and get another green dot, that's another point we can look to make a dollar cost average or day trade entry. Max fear, when we get a green dot, that is likely to be the bottom of the bear market. This is where we need to pay very close attention to both the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. Something very important to know is that these signals take time, and to watch your screens 24/7 is simply impossible. That's why we have these indicators set to post alerts when important readings happen. If we head to the alerts tab, we can click create alert, switch this to the Pro Trade Manager, long entry, short take profit, once per bar close, click create. That's going to let you know when you get green dots on the Pro Trade Manager. From there, we're going to switch this to the market cycle highs and lows. We're next going to be looking for concern. Once per bar close, click create, and you can set multiple alerts starting with right here, concern, go to fear and max fear, one alert for each, and you are good to go. Each level will let you know when the candle closes in each of these levels. And I told you why it's so crucial you know when this happens. We are relying on these indicators every single day. Now, when we first released this, we had talked about always showing the TC top and bottom finder, the price versus vol money flow, and the trades in favor. They are great indicators. They're accurate about 78% of the time. And the full 100% win rate in our membership right here, 314 wins, 0 losses, is brought up by the risk management built into the TC top and bottom finder. That is very important. That is still fantastic and something we'll integrate into our strategy. But the signals, guys, we are using these AI indicators now. Those indicators are still valid. If you are using them, don't worry. But the accuracy from these new AI indicators are absolutely blowing them out of the water. For our Cyber Monday sale, you can get $600 off if you are a member. Members get maximum discounts as well as money-making benefits like future forecast videos and trade setups. All you need to do is head into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the second link. Click that. It's going to bring you to our sign-up page where you can get 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started. Head to the indicator tab, and you are saving $200 off the Pro Trade Manager, $200 off the market cycle highs and lows, and $200 off the volume bubbles. Now, of course, we're giving massive discounts on the Pro Indicator Pack and TC Top and Bottom Finder as well, but these AI indicators are the ones you want to check out. If you previously bought those indicator packs, email in at betradeconfident@gmail.com and you'll get an even larger 60% off the new AI indicators. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for tomorrow's future forecast episode. Don't miss out.